Ah, what a nice day. Also, I'm still so mad at Caillou for using the emergency alert system to scare me. I have a super duper duper good idea. Ha 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 ha. What if I got revenge by doing the same thing Caillou did to me? Okay, first I need to hack into the primary entry point. Darn it, I have to log in with my Federal Emergency Management Agency account. It doesn't matter because I already have a Federal Emergency Management Agency account anyways. Finally, I logged into my Federal Emergency Management Agency account. Now I can use the primary entry point. Ha 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 ha. Ugh, a tutorial. I guess I should start it. Finally, this process was taking way too long than I expected it to. Ha 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 ha. Now the last step, observe.
I'm going to watch some TV.
This is a test. 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 This is a test.
Hey, this can't
This
scare
is a
me,
test.
and I think I know who made this
This is a
emergency
test.
alert.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test.
Phew, the coast seems to be.
Rosie, how dare you create a fake emergency alert system test to try to scare Calliou.
Is a test.
That's so it. You're grounded for 3984933265873264587356743575743 decades.
Go to your room right now. No.
This is a test.